Hey there everyone, today I am super excited to talk about an AI finally for mechanical engineers. So far we only have discussed about how AI can help you to build website. But in this video, I will talk about if you are, let's say, maker or a hobbyist who loves, let's say, 3D printing, then this video is for you. Now onward, you do not need to learn how to work with 3D software because AI going to do it for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how when Claude paired with Autodesk Fusion can help you to create your favorite model. And this is not just simple image to 3D model creation. This is a proper 3D engineered model where you're going to specify certain value like I want something to be this big, that big, and Claude paired with Autodesk are going to create it for you. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, so now we are in our computer screen. The next thing here I'm gonna do is I am going to show you how you can get Autodesk Fusion. Well, it is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is you need to go to your internet browser and now here type Autodesk Fusion download. Alright, now here we have got this free 30-day trial. I think that would be good enough to see whether it is useful for me or not. And from here you can simply click ID and then you can simply have this 30-day free trial. If you want to see how to install, then I have a different channel where I have shown the step-by-step process of installing. You just check that out and then you are ready to go. Now the next thing here we need to do is we simply need to run Autodesk Fusion. Now if we want to run it using Claude, for that you can go here on the top and go to preferences, and then here we need to look for MCP port, which you're going to find in general and then API. Please make sure that this option is checked in such that Claude can connect with it. The second option that we need to take care of is this port. Now the next thing here we need to do is we need to install Claude to our system, and then when the Claude is installed, simply open it, and then here we need to go to setting, then here look for connector, and here click on browse connector, and then here we can search for Fusion. Now in Fusion you need to go to configure, and here you need to make sure that this option is enabled and then enter the port number that we have checked here in Fusion 360. You need to make sure that this number is correctly entered here as well. Now the Claude can talk to Autodesk Fusion and you can create object utilizing generative AI. Another method is this built-in technical preview that also going to help you in creating the objects or products using command. So for example, I'm going to say create a rounded rectangle with following dimension. Okay, now I'm gonna hit enter, and here you can see it is asking me again few questions like how much is the width, length and height, but still I need to define the corner radius. So I'm gonna say corner radius can be 1 mm. And there you go. Finally here we can see it have created the rounded rectangle that I have asked it for. And that's wrap up this video. Hope that you find it helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI, where we cover all different types of AI that can help you to make you more productive. So be sure to subscribe to Technoholic AI, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.